In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find abandoned checkouts in Shopify. Managing your Shopify store efficiently often requires keeping track of various metrics, and one important area to focus on is abandoned checkouts. These represent potential sales that almost went through but were left incomplete for various reasons. Understanding where to find these abandoned checkouts on your Shopify dashboard can greatly aid in reclaiming lost revenues and nurturing those unfinished transactions into successful sales. So let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you're on your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center, where you can oversee virtually every aspect of your store. From tracking orders to managing products and customizing themes, the dashboard is where the magic happens. Now, once you're in the dashboard, focus your attention on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a vertical series of options that serve as your site navigation. Look for the option labeled Orders. Clicking on this will direct you to the Orders page. This section is crucial because it provides an overview of all the transactions made in your store. But today, our main focus is on those transactions that came close to being finalized but were never completed, our abandoned checkouts. Once you're on the Orders page, you'll see a submenu appear. These submenus help further break down specific order-related activities you might be interested in examining. What you'll want to do here is find and click on the option labeled Abandoned Checkouts. This is the dedicated space within Shopify that aggregates all of your abandoned checkout instances. When you click on Abandoned Checkouts, you'll be presented with a comprehensive overview of all the abandoned checkouts your store has experienced. Each of these represents a shopper who added items to their cart, began the checkout process, but did not complete their purchase for some reason. All these instances are logged here, allowing for easy review and follow-up actions. Reviewing abandoned checkouts is invaluable. By analyzing this data, you can determine whether there are recurring items in these abandoned carts, identify patterns related to shipping costs, or even technical issues within the checkout process itself. More importantly, having these abandoned checkouts clearly displayed enables you to take action. This might mean sending a reminder email or offering an incentive, like a discount or free shipping, to encourage completion of the purchase. That's pretty much all there is to it. Now you know exactly where to find and how to review abandoned checkouts on Shopify, helping you engage with potential buyers who are just a step away from becoming your satisfied customers. Stick around as we explore more tips for optimizing your Shopify store, and make sure to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!